So I think just a couple of slides. So this was the legacy architecture that we started with. Lots of moving parts. Media servers, master servers. Even the target storage is being managed using multiple UIs. DevOps environments, analytics clusters. That's what we have today, and all that gets simplified to something like this, where this is your primary environment. You're backing up to the Cohesities. Analytics is being done in place. Yes, we have some, in this picture we show the compute for the DevOps outside, but we plan to also integrate that into the Cohesities. That's how simple it becomes. So that's our vision. That's how simple we want to make our data center. And again, the summary, we've built a web scale storage platform that can integrate or consolidate multiple secondary storage workflows. And the three main ones we talked about are integrated data protection, DevOps, analytics. So thank you. And any questions?
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Why are you focusing on just secondary storage? And the reason I'm asking is if you're trying to address lots of different use cases,
yeah,
and you're trying to keep copy data to a minimum in the environment, would that be better served by turning this into a primary storage platform that does all this stuff?
Well, we have all the nice companies like Nutanix addressing that. We want to address where the problem is. Like I said, it's the iceberg. Tip of the iceberg is primary storage. We don't want to be one more company trying to innovate there when the big problem lies in secondary storage.
Okay.
That's why we're focused there.
Okay.
Yeah. But
I think it just gets a little confusing with the marketing message. Too many copies, so you're another copy. I like what it's doing. I think you have a valid point from a marketing perspective.
Well, you keep one copy in your backups. We're just saying that that's the only copy you need. The rest, move the compute to it, as opposed to moving the data to the compute. But I'd like to also introduce distinguished guest today. We have David Gimbruno. He's the CIO of Tribune Media, one of our customers. Just want to kind of have him come up here and talk a few things about us.
It's kind of like this serendipitous thing. Like, just went GA, I just wrote a PO. Right? I'm like, I'm in the neighborhood, I'll stop by. Oh, by the way, it's storage day.
Then he brought you into the Dragon's Den.
Yeah. But by the way, your observation is 1,000% correct. That's one of the first things I said when we lit it up in alpha, right? Real early, we loaded our data. We did a couple queries. We're like, oh, everything awesome, right? So like eDiscovery, we've had that chat.
Yeah.
Like put a big box together, drop it into the big four, right? When they're doing their eDiscovery and make a lot of money really quick, right? It's
I used to be a Big Four consultant.
Right, but you saw it in a second, right? What you can do with this? Yeah, it's awesome. So, and kind of one of your questions, and you've heard some people like, I think one of the biggest, and we've had this chat, is such a big platform. It's where do you start, right? And secondary storage is an entrance, but it is a platform. It's like, my joke to him is it's a Ferrari. Where are you going to take it out and go for a run, right? But that's his problem.
Well, we love having David as one of our customers. Thank you.
Thanks.
And thank
nice
you
meeting
all.
you.